The energy efficiency of an igloo as a house. An igloo is a dome-shaped hut built of compressed snow that is used to keep you warm in freezing conditions. Igloos are built of compressed snow that has been cut into blocks and stacked around a circular terrace hole in the ground. They tend to have 3 levels: the top for sleeping, the middle for the fire, and the bottom for the cold air. Why do we feel cold? First, we need to learn as to why humans feel cold. Heat is a form of energy that can be transferred from one body to another. Heat moves from regions of high temperature to regions of low temperature until the temperature of both regions is the same and results in thermal equilibrium. These movements of heat can happen in 3 ways: conduction, where heat is transferred between physical objects like your hand burning when you touch a hot pan; convection, this is heat transfer in liquids and gases; with convection, hot air rises and cool air sinks; radiation, where heat is transferred through electromagnetic radiation. The sun gives off radiation, which is how we feel its heat. How an igloo works. An igloo works by trapping the heat that escapes your body. Compressed snow is made out of roughly 95% trapped air, which is a good insulator. The air molecules trapped between the tiny crystals create air pockets, which act as excellent insulators that prevent heat loss due to convection. The human body converts energy from food to heat energy, which escapes from our body in convection, conduction, but mostly radiation. The igloo traps this heat and warms up the air around it. The cold air falls to the bottom terrace of the igloo and the warm air rises to the sleeping area at the top. The bottom sunken floor acts as a cold sink. How does the structure of an igloo help? The small door and the tiny tunnel also help with insulation. The small sunken right-angle tunnel acts as a cold sink while also preventing snowstorms and cold winds from blowing directly into the main compartment of the igloo. The dome helps improve the structural integrity of the igloo. The tiny hole in the top of the igloo is used to help slowly remove the smoke from the fire without losing too much heat. If built right, igloos can create a difference of about 40 degrees Celsius between its interior and the outside environment.